And welcome everybody to the Smash News Network least busted name in news. It's another meteorology segment. We love doing it. So we're back. First thing we're looking at are the surface winds of the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers and who would be visible on this map. Leave us a comment. Let us know what your location is. If you're a new viewer, leave a comment. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Tell your friends and foes about us. The algorithms aren't going to do it. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world, and they're quite chaotic here around Australia. Looks like it's going to be clear skies above Kimberley's Head today, located somewhere around here. We hope you feel better soon, Kimberley. Please keep Kimberley in your prayers, viewers. Next, the jet streams of the western world. There you go. By the way, this video is dedicated to Bob Carson. Yes, feel better, Granddad. We're delighted to hear that you were having a better day yesterday. Cheers. We've got a doubled up jet stream over the U.S. and a divergence over the Atlantic Ocean. You can see it's headed south here and headed north over here. Southern hemisphere jet stream looking a little more chaotic all around the globe. Here are the surface winds of the western world. And check it out. We've got some very high winds here. Yeah, those are hurricane force winds there in the North Atlantic. It is a bad day to be on a boat with Marky Mark and George Clooney. That could indeed be creating the perfect storm. Let's take a look at the wave heights, as I have a feeling there's going to be some pretty high waves. Anyway, let's ixnay that. That is a powerful low-pressure system with hurricane-force winds south of Greenland. Next, the U.S. snow forecast. We're going to bring it to 72 hours. This is the European forecast for pressure and snow depth. It's snowing pretty far south at the moment. Snow making it into Arizona and New Mexico. Heavy snow falling at the moment in Colorado, I believe. We're going to let this advance into Monday. Some heavy snow falling in California here as well. And we'll pause this at about 72 hours. So there's 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, according to the European forecast for pressure and snow depth, courtesy of windy.com. Next, your GFS forecast for precipitation and pressure for the next 72 hours. Heavy snow there. Some heavy bands of snow going to be in this system right here, moving up to the northeast, as well as some very heavy wet snow here in California. Shout out to Smash Staff's mom. Lots of heavy snow here. Heavy precipitation in general in the Pacific Northwest. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, just click it. We've got all kinds of weather advisories across the country. You can see winter storm warnings here for these heavy bands of snow. Again, if your county's lit up, just head to weather.gov and click it. Your county, that is. Here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. It looks like no terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map, courtesy lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. I'm not used to pronouncing those German letters. blitzachtung.org. Not a lot of lightning striking at the moment. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch thanks to our followers over there. Apparently, we're one of the biggest science and technology channels on the platform. Who would have guessed that? Twitch.tv/smashamash. If you're a Twitch channel, please host us. Thanks for leaving comments. FGraph72 and One Audio. Cheers. And let's get back to it. We're also on BitChute. The largely censorship-free platform is not nearly as pathetic as platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Most of our content is on YouTube for some reason. Check our playlists at youtube.com/smashamash/playlists before the channel is entirely deleted, banned, etc. If you'd like to support the channel, since we're paid almost nothing to put the content on YouTube, check out our merch shop. You can find a link to that. It's the smAsho merch link on our homepage at smashamash.com. If you're going through hell, keep going. That's a quote from Winston Churchill. They're sorted in order of best-selling, and congratulations on a second year of the unanimously voted Dimension of the Year, Hell. Perhaps you'd like to pick up a Fauci Face of Evil bath mat. You'd like to put your feet on the face of evil every time you get out of the shower. We invite every one of you to Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. Pick up some merch and tell your friends and foes about us. If you'd like to buy a bike or some assorted equipment, check me out at curated links below the video to that as well as to smashamash.com/smashteam. Here are our latest posts titled GDAX Daily Report and Raw Data Doesn't Lie. Let's take a look at the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest heat sink. Yeah, water. It has a very high latency of heat. And it's quite dry in the South Pacific. Continuing on, here's the U.S. radar.weather.gov, rather. Yeah, radar.weather.gov. It's the Doppler radar for the 50 states. USA, the allegedly United States of America. So here's the lower 48, and we can see snow falling in a large portion of the central portion of the country. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's too dark to see it over most of the U.S., although it is light where we are here in Lehigh Valley. Here is the water vapor map. We've got some little chunks of dry air mixed in, making for clear skies over those isolated regions. Dry, massive air mixed in and creating some inputs, similar to this input right here, which is pushing this moisture into this moisture, which is causing a massive pressure gradient and precipitation. Yes, massive pressure gradients cause precipitation. Here's a recap. It's the U.S. Doppler radar map from radar.weather.gov. The shortwave radiation map from the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And the water vapor map, which is totally sweet. If your Doppler's not doing it for you, check out the water vapor. It will provide the appropriate information, especially if you understand the physics, like dry massive air is more massive than moist air. It's less massive because of the molecular mass of water vapor versus nitrogen. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And thanks for leaving a comment, Dreamweaver1012021. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Oh, nose, it's so scary. Oh, baited chatter, okay? Chatter.